Hi everyone, my name is Dungu. You can call me Sunny. Uh, I Today it is 14th of September 2022. I want to do the goal analyzation. Yesterday on 13th September 2022, it really nice day yesterday. I believe many people they how I say lost money. I don't know anyone earn, but lost money for sure. In gold, the thing is, many people they often draw the plan and follow the plan, but and then they didn't flexible with the market. To me, I didn't have a plan at all. I didn't have plan. I just go with the market. The market show up the signal for buy, I buy. The market show up the signal for sell, I'm sell, and I follow the market each minute. I change my strategy each minute. Of course, I have a general idea about whether I should buy or sell. But if any sign in the market within 5 minutes, within 10 minutes, it show up that my thinking were wrong, I switch straight away. So um, I think that is a better way. You could not predict the market like you can predict like in the next 15 minutes. I easy to predict, but if you say had to predict in next 1 hour, it's more difficult. And if you say you want to predict in next 3 hour or 4 hour, extremely difficult. For me each minute really important. So if for me based on my analyzation, maximum I can predict 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I know in the next 5 minutes where the price will go. In next 10 minutes, based on on the signal where they will go. That's enough. That's why I jump in and I jump out. And by after do analyzation, I learn a lot as well. I will show you really interesting lesson from Go. Please, whatever you trade, if you want to earn the money from the market, don't look back in the past, don't thinking in the future, live in the present, like what we are doing now. Live in the present, because you think, oh, the price will may, just may not definitely will go up, and then someone jump into the market, dump a lot of things, then you didn't reaction, you lose the money. Okay, so let me start because the lesson may be really long today. So normally I will trade from 5 p.m. After because that is the time I come back from work, and I just want plan. I will know what will happen, and I have a little bit analyzation before to have a correct. I always draw everything I think and draw everything I think, because I think it is the better way. Sometimes if you think only, the thinking will how I say go away quickly, but if you put it in the writing or drawing, it's straight in your eye. So before five, the price sideways. I just need to look in 1 hour, 2 hour before. It's sideways. I don't care what previously. And current price action is the price is step up. Like it is sideways. On the sideways, normally I tell you, in the sideways we have to sell high and buy low. But sometimes when the price go up with the step and it make higher high and up, it break like this. When the price break the on the key on the top, and then it make the high high, and then it keep like this, you should not sell. You have to find the place to buy. Okay. And also I want to show you about the collaboration between the M15 and M1. This in this case, the price broke this key level with one really big M15 momentum, really big. So you know the buy really strong, and then you see how the sell going, but you have to go for buy after it make higher high and higher low here. And the sooner you see the channel, I see a small channel, it's not appropriate, but I still put it on just to see my direction. Then the price it come back here, retest this area and go up. It look good. So you confirm the thing you want to buy, but of course you will not buy here. Where you will buy? to me, I will wait around here and buy. Okay, because that good area to buy. You see how the price come back. The price come back. This signal it not right, and then this is the M15 when the price come back. Like this, the buy strong, but the sell strong as well. Okay, so half of the time the buy go up, half of the time the sell put down. So you have to wait for the downtrend play out. The downtrend create to let pull down and it play out and it penetrate back into this area. Of course, you will not short because it constantly to make the higher high and higher low. You try to find the signal to buy. How the signal to buy? You wait the price break back in this key level. So this one momentum is quite big, but it look not good. You wait for a little bit come back and then it up like this candle, a little bit back up, then you can buy. I will wait for this signal. Let me show you this one. So after one big momentum put up, price can hold above it. I will buy. Okay, that me. So I will buy. Where I will take profit, I will maybe for the safe side. Of course, you have to manage the price in your trade in the middle, but take profit here it's not bad idea. Then you have to follow the price properly. It come next to this key level, but it go down again. You still constantly to vote for buy because nothing changing and it still lay on this trend line and on the price doesn't matter what it move, it's still within this candle, within M15 candle. This is the mother candle, it's really strong. Until it break this candle, otherwise I don't believe so. Okay. So the price maybe I think a sideways within this, but you see it one strong down, one strong up, one strong down. The buy sell still strong. So in this case, can you you should not short because right on this key level you have to vote for buy, and the price sideways. After the price sideways, if break out a little bit here, and then as I show you this signal, like this signal, it had one big momentum, and then the price hold above, here, and then if it hold, then you buy, take profit around here, So you see this signal and this signal exactly the same, strong down, sideways a little bit, strong up, and then price hold, strong down, strong up, price hold, go up. Okay, so then at this stage it make higher again, this high higher than this high. Okay, and then you still go for buy. Of course you will not buy here, you wait around here, price come back, but the how I say, the momentum of N15 when it come back here it's not that strong. It is a good signal because it show up that the seller not that great, and then it have this red candle, this M15 red candle. I told you this is the M15 murder bar here, and then the price sideways here and there, but you have to vote for buy, and then the price come back slowly, indecision small, but it come back slowly and suddenly boom, one really big M15 candle, and then I believe many people after they see this they will short, but it's not right because the price is still on an uptrend, and if you can draw these two channel, so the price, if the price break, this is the many people short, the price break the trend line, the price had to come back and retest the extreme. You have to vote for buy the last time if possible. So you have to weigh what signal you where you weigh exactly. Let's say this signal the price go down really strong, it had to go up really strong and hold above it. So price go down really strong, many people short here, go up really strong, and then it actually hold above this area. It hold. Okay. So if hold like this, you can buy around here if you want, and then take profit at least here because that is the appropriate way. So surprisingly, the price constantly to go up. Let me erase this for you to easier to see. So after it sideways, small sideways, price go up, murder M15 murder bar here, try to put down the last time. This is on the strength of the buyer, but it not succeed the next M15 engulfing this previous M15. So the buyer is strong. So you can try to find the channel. I through two of it. I can find the channel again. The price broke this area. You should not buy here. Because this is just maybe sideways for a while, small break, it can easy to come back. So you could not should not buy here. Okay. The buy next buy go strong, come back really strong. Many people after this candle they talk about short as well. This M15, but we had to for buy because the channel for because all of the signal go up stickly like this. So you vote for buy, you wait for the price dip into MA21, strong down like this, strong up, how this signal again. Price go down really strong, strong up, and then how you can buy from here. But if you are afraid of the key level around here, you can wait the price broken and have a really good signal on this candle. Then you try to take the profit around here, but you haven't had to manage the trade. That's why I say you never lead the trade like that. Had to manage it. At least you break even, play for free, okay? But then you notice that the price, if you I draw the channel, the price had to be, I tell you a few times regarding to this. If it is a healthy uptrend, it go up and down constantly here. But then I saw the project go on this area only, the buyer suddenly weaker. So it broke trend line. After it broke trend line, it may retest the extreme. So this is an extreme. So the price broke trend line, go down a little bit. This is really strong down, and then quickly go up straight. So you see this signal is that and it retest an extreme here. Do you see this M15 go down really strong and then it back straight? And did M15 go down strong and back straight? You recognize it. Is that right? Down strong, back straight, down strong, back straight. In this case, you see M15, a whole M15 red candle here, really strong uh, shot, but the price actually after that normally it come back and then it penetrate like it, but it hold above this, it it hold above this. So this signal you have to know, and you will buy from here, take profit from here. That's what you think, and then see how it go. The price come back to retest an extreme, broke it constantly to go up. So and after that it come up like this. You can think about the spy and channel because it go really big like this. So I draw the other channel like this, spy and channel. Then in this one, you have to vote for buy again. So one strong and 15, next one strong, next one strong. Just a little bit red candle, but in this red candle, in the first half of the M15, they go down, and then the price go up again. The signal I show you. Strong down, back up, hold, You can buy from here. You can buy from here and take profit around here. Manage your trade in the middle. This signal it repeat I think 1,000 times. A really nice one. Strong down, back, keep, big candle, buy. And then the price a little bit overshoot here. And you know it after overshoot it will break the trend line or straight up reversal. The uptrend here is quite further, and then you know you have to be careful with the buy because right now if you buy high, and after overshoot the price may sideways for a while, straight up reversal. So you will see what happened, and then here many time the buyer try to put it up, but it's impossible. And this M15 is really strong. How I say, really strong push down, and then next M15 the price constantly to put up, but it put down again. And after it break the trend line of the channel, you think it may retest the extreme on the time? Yeah, break the trend line, retest the extreme. After that, many people think short, but no, it had to retest one more time. It had to double top, triple top at least. Okay, strong down, strong up, but this one up is 90 degree, really 90 degree, really strong up. You see this up, a little sell go in, a little big sideways here, but this up straight 90 degree, really strong on big momentum candle. Then the price drop down because even the last put super strong, the buyer still lose. And I told you there are two kind of the way the price change the direction. Either it's smaller in the momentum, or it get bigger if you on the strength to fight. But in the end, this still the result. Okay, this still the result. So I hope you learned something today. This signal really nice, strong down, break back, hold above, big candle in buy. Um, break and retest, strong down, back in, hold above, buy, strong down, back in, hold above, buy. The same, the same, and you have to know why you buy, why you sell, and this email the bar. Try to find really strong, unable to broke up channel, but the price is quicker here. Then it break the trend line, go down, retest an extreme, and then create the spy and channel. Then you can buy on this area after the price go down, retest this area, keep on this trend line and create the big M1 key level here, and M15 red but create with a big tail, go up, buy. And then you see I only can predict for the next 15 minutes. I could not go further than that. For example, um, at this stage, I think I will buy just because the structure told me so. And after I see this signal and how here, I will buy right here, and hopefully the how I say the take profit around here. But when it come close here, I take maybe 60 or 80 or 90% up because maybe it it hold right here, and then I maybe leave 5 or 10% back. But just the net M15, I can predict. I could not predict where it will go. And then I wait a little bit, see any other signal. This one I can jump in again, and maximum I can predict it can come here. That's all. I could not think it will go really higher to keep it, or think it go really low. I unable to do it. Um, Thank you to listen to me today. I hope you will have a nice day ahead. Um, Trading is the learning.